Hi, and welcome to a new season of Cooking with Louise. I am Louise. With the new year comes new resolutions to eat better and to live a healthier lifestyle. Pampered Chef has made that easy to do with a new product line. Introducing Enrichables, Pampered Chef's newest line. We have a pea protein and a kale fiber. Let's start with the pea protein. In this box are 12 packets of yellow pea protein. The only ingredient in here is yellow peas. You will get 10 grams of protein. All of the Enrichables are gluten-free, dairy-free, and soy-free. So what would you do with this? Well, this is made to make your dishes more nutritious. So you can put it in just about anything. You can put it in pastas, rice, batters, sauces, anything where you want to boost the protein content. You could also put it in a smoothie. Next, we have the kale fiber. Would you believe that in this packet are 2 cups of freeze-dried kale and chicory root fiber? That's it. No added fillers at all. Again, gluten-free, dairy-free, and soy-free. So what would you do with this? Well, think about it. Do you get enough vegetables in your diet or fiber? You could add this to just about anything as well. I have put it in our taco meat, and my family didn't even know. You could add it to your smoothies, sauces. I've put it in pancakes. Yes, sure, it turned the pancakes a little green, but that was fun. So, are you ready to get healthier this year with our Enrichables? Be sure to check the description below where I will add the links so that you can read up all about the Enrichables. Please be sure to ring the bell, give me some thumbs up, and subscribe so you will be notified of all of my upcoming videos. Thanks so much and happy cooking!